Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Sujit. In this video, we learn how to install VS Code and run Python program in it. In the previous video, we learned how to install Python on Windows. If you haven't watched that video yet, I have provided the link in the description. Make sure to check it out first. Now, let's get started. Open your web browser and go to Google and type VS Code and click enter. Now you can see the official website code.visualstudio.com. Click on it. This is the official website for codevisualstudio.com. Go to download for Windows and click on it. Let's wait for the download to complete. The VS Code setup file has been downloaded successfully. Now right click on the setup file and click open to begin installation. The setup windows will appear. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next. Now you need to select the destination location. You can keep the default location and click next. Again click next. Here you can see to create a desktop icon. I will select it and click next. Now you can see the installation summary. Click on install. VS Code is now installing. We have successfully installed VS Code. When I click to finish, VS Code will open automatically because the launch Visual Studio Code option is selected by default. Now the VS Code shortcut has been created on the desktop. Double click on it to open VS Code. Now we need to connect Python with VS Code. For that we need to install the Python extensions. Go to extensions tab on the left side and click on it, and in search menu search for Python and press enter. And this is the official Python extensions provided by Microsoft. Click on install. Now the Python extension is installing. The installation is completed successfully because the uninstall button is now visible. Close the extension tab. Next, we will install the CodeRunner extensions. Search for CodeRunner and press enter. Here it is. Just click on it. Yeah, I have already installed this extension in my system. If you are not means just click on install. Then close the tab. Now we will run our first Python program. Go to the Explorer section. Click on the open folder. Now let's create a new folder on the desktop. I will name the folder Python tutorial and select the folder. Here just click on the file section to create a Python file. I will give the file name demo.py. Py is Python extension used for Python files. Now click enter. Now let's write our first program. I will print my YouTube channel name. So I will give print code with Sujit. Now click on the run button. You can see here output is visible code with Sujit. We have successfully run our first Python program in VS Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Python tutorials and coding videos. Thank you for watching.